In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build a custom header and a custom footer for your website using only Elementor. No coding required. Really easily processed. The very first thing I want to do, of course, is to, build here my Elementor Pro. If you don't have the Elementor Pro, you have the link down below in the description, so you can try these out totally for free for a few months, and then you have a huge deal. And then you can try this out later on. So the Elementor Pro plugin is totally worth it, so you might want to check that out. That's the reason why we gave the links down below. So once you have downloaded the Elementor Pro, it's going to be giving you this file. So this file should be imported into your WordPress. Now that we have just purchased Elementor Pro, let's go into WordPress and install correctly our Elementor. Into the left side, once we are in the dashboard of the WordPress, let's go for the option that says plugins. Into plugins, let's go here for the option that says add new plugin, or click into the upper side that says add new plugin. Now here, I'm going to upload my own plugin and go for select my upload file. In this case, it's the Elementor Pro. Use all the zipped file, do not open it, use it here and go for install now. Once you have just imported all the information from Elementor Pro, it might be asking you to link your account from Elementor Pro directly into WordPress. So let's go for activate the plugin. Now here it says Elementor Pro plugin requires installing the Elementor plugin. So let's install this now once again and activate the plugin. And now once this process has now been successfully done, it says let's get connected. So if you already have an account here into Elementor, go for connect your account. If you don't have an account, you don't have to worry about it. What you can do is just to go and of course to sign up using an email as well as a passcode, and then activate your license. So here have an activation license for up to 1 year. So I'm gonna activate it. And here I can continue with a custom Hello theme. Now that we have downloaded and installed the Elementor, what we need to do now is to choose, of course, and start customizing some templates. So the Elementor is going to be helping us to choose a template and customize it and fit it into our brand. So to choose one of those templates, it's going to be really easily to focus into the left side and focus, of course, into some appearance. So to get started, I'm going to go here for creating a page here into Elementor. We can choose from a different website. We can open this directly into our dashboard. To make this process much faster, I can suggest you to enter the theme builder. Just click here into Elementor and focus into theme builder. Here into the theme builder, what I can do is to focus into header. Into header, we can get started with all different parts and create one. So I just select one header, abandoned, continue. And now I am inside the elements of the header directly from Elementor. So into Elementor, we can see that we have 6, even 9 different blocks that we can use to get started. We have pages and we have different templates. Now for this tutorial, I will only use one block so I can customize my whole website later. So let's select one website that you like the most. I generate variations with the artificial intelligence if I wanted to. I applied it and go forgot it. Now you can see that here is the header imported. This is the part where I wanted to select the elements to where I wanted it, of course, delete or to upload. For example, the logo. If I click into the logo, I go for choose an image, select my image to upload, and I upload my own logo. I can add a text, title, caption, description, and hit now to select. And just like that, automatically my logo should be uploaded. I can change the color of the layout. I can go for more information, and I can delete pop-up all elements that I do or do not want to see. If I click here into the center, we can see that here's the layout of a WordPress menu. The WordPress menu is what you're going to be seeing here into your titles, forms, and much more. So we can edit this later. We can go and focus into the style. For example, we can change the text color. Now here into this left side, I'm going to delete this part and go for continue. The last thing that I wanted to do, of course, is to add elements into my menu. To add elements into my menu, I should have an actual menu here inside WordPress. So let's go back into the dashboard. Let's focus here into the left side. And here into appearance, let's go for menus. I'm going to create my very first sidebar and display it into the header. and I create my menu. Here I can manage my location and edit the menu. So view all, and I can enable post, I can enable custom links, I can label categories, and much more stuff. So here's my sample page, for example, and I add it into the menu. Now into the menu, I have now a sample page. I save this menu, and when I save this, this should be appearing in here. So as you can see, here's my sample page. And as you are adding more and more pages, it should be appearing in here. Once you've finished with this process, let's go here for preview the changes. Now here into my footer, I can select all parts and I can start looking for a new footer. For example, here, go for footer. Once again, we might be having a few blocks available for my footer. So I'm gonna just select something easy. For example, maybe this one. Everything should be done directly into the theme library. Remember that. So click into the elements to start customizing this, as well as your logo. Now to put my footer and my header into my website, I needed of course to publish them. So let's go directly into my footer. Here is how it should be looking, my footer. So it actually looks great. I'm going to hit into published, and it's going to be asking us where would you like to display your template. In this case, it should be to the entire site. In my case, I want to include this into my entire site, and I saved and closed them. Next, do exactly the same thing with header. So with the header, I select my header, I go for published, condition, entire site, and save and continue. And there we go. Now into this new page, I have now the header and of course the footer. I'm going to add something really easily into this content so you can see what we currently have, for example, like an image. And now I can preview my changes. As you can see, we have a custom header, and here we have a custom footer. So it's a really easy way of how we can create headers, footers, and so much more using Elementor. Once again, you have the link down below in the description if you want to try it out. This great moves of the theme builder here directly here into Elementor, of course, to send it directly into WordPress. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to come back and check out more elements, you're free to come back. Thank you, and see you next time.